Hello. The purpose of this short video is to showcase how a template strategy can be used in Phi 1 to rapidly create a new strategy and test all the features that Phi 1 offers. Go to the right top menu, select strategy, go to our code mode. Now, as you browse the available templates, you can see a wide range of selection is available, right from Bollinger to EMA-based strategies, RSI, super trend. For this example, let's choose the arbitrage strategy. So two sections of code are populated. The initialize section contains the calculations that the strategy needs to perform. So this is pretty involved since this is a quant strategy. And then our step code contains the buy and sell conditions based on those calculations. So since this is a multi-symbol strategy, we will choose two relevant securities. In this case, let's choose Cipla and Sun Pharma from the pharmaceutical industry. All right. So once we have selected the relevant securities as per the strategy and populated our relevant code, we just give it a name and select run and save. So now since this is a very calculation intensive strategy, it should take around 10-15 seconds to complete. Uh, So while it completes, we can talk about what the strategy is doing. It's trying to establish correlation between the two securities and then building a linear model between the two time series, checking the residual term for stationarity. And finally, once the stationarity is established, we can say the two securities are co-integrated and hence their residual term will mean revert. So all that uh, takes place as part of our template strategy, which you can further improve. Our results are ready to be viewed. We can see the overall return, on average, how many trades take place in each time period, in a week, in a month, all our long positions, short positions, or rather long and short trades, how many of them were positive, negative, and then you can inspect each and every individual trade. Since this was a long short strategy, whenever we were long one symbol, we were short the other, and simultaneously after the equivalent holding period, we squared off both the positions. So once you've seen all the relevant trades, you can, if required, you can inspect them on the charts. Then you can inspect the equity chart. It has your drawdown and strategy return. And finally, our logs establish the criteria on which we establish the correlation and co-integration between the two securities. That's it. It's very simple, very easy to use use our templates, which are pretty powerful to get anyone started, be it a technical trader or a quant trader. Now, once a strategy is created, it's available in your strategy tab, and you can use it to perform any system operation that requires a strategy. For example, you can do your back testing using that strategy. Now, how to conduct a full-scale bulk backtest, that will explain in another short video. Thank you.